won't it doesn't get rid of money in corporations. We'll give us higher consciousness. We hear about this a lot, depending on how you interpret consciousness. I've never seen consciousness as a switch. Some people do, flip the right switch and turn on, and I don't know. I think of higher consciousness as a lot of hard work and meditation and dedication. But I do think that disclosure can breed higher consciousness in that regard. Next one. Maybe at least temporarily. They say shift happens. I do think, are we on a shift? Yeah, actually, I think that we are. I think that 100 years from now, historians will look back on this era and they will say, this is when humanity went through its shift. I don't know if it's all going to be spiritual, a lot of people think. I think a lot of it's technological. But that will be driving changes, not just in our society, but in our physiology and our biology. If you want to look at some of the developments in